Welcome to another street walk. As you can see, we are not in Bangkok. Here is Detlef with an F. And we are in the Khao Yai, which is the biggest national and the oldest national park in Thailand, where you have really loads of nature. You see here bird watchers who basically look for a hornbill as they are in this area. You can easily access it by car. It costs you about 400 baht for a foreigner, but with 530 square kilometers, it is really a big national park where you have all the nature of Thailand, or how Thailand looked like many years ago, before the forests were cut. So I think that's worth it. I mean, you are here in an absolute lush greenery, which is totally nice, and you have a lot of things which you can see here. And here is basically called the Haew Suwat Waterfall. We are not the only one here, but that doesn't spoil it, because it's really not like overcrowded. It is nice, and I hope I can give you an impression how Thailand is apart from all the hustle and bustle from the big cities. So it is quite serene. It's a lot of greenery around here. And I can already hear the waterfall, or maybe it's the sound of the wind, by walking this path here. So it's not a street walk, but it's a kind of a street. So I hope you love it as much as I do. And I will be surprised as much as you are when I see the waterfall, because I was never here before. But I think I can hear the sound of the water already. Maybe when you listen closely, you can also hear it. Yeah, I think I can even spot it, and I will show you in a moment, amidst all the greenery here. See, it's really deep jungle, and it has a lot of animals here. So maybe we are lucky and we can spot like a hornbill. Here at least we can see the waterfall. It is dry season at the moment, so I guess when you are here and it's rainy season, you will really have a big impact from the waterfall. It is nice, but as promised, I take you a little bit more on a walk so you can see how it is. You go the same path which you would go when you are not with me on a camera, but really with me. And I try sometimes not to speak too much, so I will not be too noisy, and you can hear some of the sounds in the background. The path here looks very mysterious, as you can see. It feels like you are like in a jungle adventure. You can climb over trees. And if the camera shakes a bit, please excuse me, because, as I said, here are a lot of steps and a lot of roots. And here it even gets much, much steeper, and I have to wait. You see a bamboo forest here, and you see some birds and butterflies, which are basically flying by. So let's try the stairs. As you can see, it's quite steep. So it will be a steep street walk today. But at the end should be a nice view of the waterfall. I love it when you go here and you have all the butterflies basically flying around you. That is very nice. And it has also the bamboo. In front of you, basically, that's bamboo. It's funny that bamboo is a kind of grass, but it's quite stable. So you can make many practical things out of bamboo, which you then can use, for example, for scaffolding for a house, or for other nice things. Oh, I see all the butterflies. That is great. See the butterflies? Very, very nice. I guess on the waterfall itself there will be more of these butterflies, but we will have to get down first, because it's quite a very, very steep way. Oh, I love it. I hope I can catch some of the butterflies in the video. And I love it when you are with me and going on street walks. Now I can guess where the waterfall is. Can you? I think so. On this note, I would also love it if you could give me like some feedback, either in the comments, or if you have something which you like to see in Thailand and which you didn't see anywhere else. So we can go there and we can make like a nice picture of it. It says no swimming. I guess that's don't swim. And that's really, really, really nice. Can you see it? And as I said, it is the low season, so it is not the biggest one. The waterfall would be much greater if it is like in the rainy season, but again, also in the rainy season it would be much more slippery. And you can hear the birds in the background. Maybe it's the hornbills, maybe it's something else. So I'm not sure. I'm climbing these ponds here and the stones. And I guess that when we are in the rainy season, all where I'm climbing here should be flooded. So, very, very nice. There you can see the waterfall. That's one of the nicest waterfalls I've seen in Thailand. And it's quite serene when you look around it. Here with the old trees. Going over to the waterfall. And having all this really, really nice place. Wow. Absolutely impressed. Isn't it gorgeous? Dear beloved ones, I leave you with these nice scenes here. Don't forget, if you're in Thailand, to visit the Khao Yai National Park. It is really worth it. And I will leave you with the scenery. Don't forget to subscribe if you like it. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.